Louise. That's a good boy. What do you say, Landon? Say thank you. Landon, say thank you. Good boy.
What do you say?
Please.
No hand.
He can hold it, Sissy. Put your hand down. Trinity. Your hand's in front of his head. What do you say? What do you say? Say thank you, Trini. Say thank you. Please. Trini's such a nice sister. She shares. Thank you. Uh-oh. Say thank you. Willow. I want some. Am I getting her? Can you see? Yeah. I want some too. I want some apple. Yay. Say bye-bye. He's like, to who? Say bye-bye.
What?
Please.
Okay. One last.
What? What?
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay.
Bye. Bye.